Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how will you be confirmed who dislike your uploaded videos from your YouTube channel. So it is very important to know about the total statistics of your YouTube channel for ranking more and more. In this video I want to share how will you be confirmed who dislike your videos. So before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe this new channel and click the bell button to get all types of amazing make money online related videos from this YouTube channel. And also I cordially request to subscribe this first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube. This is my first channel, and if you are new wanna make money online, just keep watching all types of videos from this channel and just subscribe the channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. So let's get started here. Alright, this is my first channel. I would like to share how will you be confirmed who dislike your YouTube videos. So first of all, you have to click on this YouTube channel logo and just YouTube studio here, and then you have to click on this analytics, scroll down a little bit and just click on this see more. Alright, this is the total interface, and here is video, traffic source, geography, viewer age, viewer gender, date, subscription status, subscription source, and more, and so on here. So, and if you come to this interface, you will get the total interface here. Just click on this, select secondary metric, more metrics here, and just click on this dislike. Alright, this is the total interface of my dislike, and if I share with you the total dislikes 6 to 8, and according to this video, and this is my video, and this also my videos here, and this one is 1 2 1 6 altogether, and you're watching as you can see here, or you can find out which videos will be confirmed dislike. So if you can confirm this from here, and on the other hand, if you click on this date, according to the date you will be confirmed the total dislikes from here. So 29 June 2020, and 4 dislikes here, and 3 dislikes here, 4 5 1 5 2 5 1 1 0 5 altogether. According to the date you can be confirmed here. And now I would like to share another one. If you click on this subscription status, you will get the total not subscribed and total subscribed from here, and these are disliked total 68, and here is also 58 and 6 are subscribed on this channel all together. And you can find out the total likes and dislikes from your YouTube channel all together. So on the other hand, if you click on this traffic source here, just you can get the total features, YouTube search, browse features, other YouTube features, suggested videos, direct or unknown channel pages, notifications, external and page, playlist page, playlists, video cards and annotations, and screenshots. Total statistics are here. You can find out easily, and you can be confirmed to increase your channel more and more, and what type of video you should upload on your YouTube channel daily. So if you be confirmed like this, you can be increased day by day. And on the other hand, if you click on this more button here, you will get the device type, mobile phone, I think computer, I think tablet, TV, and game console here. Mobile phone users 41, and computer 25, tablet 2, TV 0, and game console 0. So this is the total video for ensuring your dislike from your YouTube videos altogether. Thanks for watching this video. I cordially request to subscribe this new channel. This is called the Make Money Online, and if you are a newbie, I cordially request to like, share more and more with your friends.